Have you ever been years into a Football Manager save and found you've started getting bored of seeing the same old kits, and even if you wanted to change them it would be way too time consuming to manually create each one yourself? Well, now there's a solution for that. FM Kit Creator just launched the new bulk kit generator, and with it you can automatically generate kits for an entire league and put it into your game all in the space of a few minutes. When you load up the bulk kit generator site, the link is in the description, you'll be shown a huge list of leagues that you can auto-generate kits for. If you don't have PES Master Plus, you'll just have access to the Premier League, but if you do, then you'll be able to generate kits for 44 other leagues from La Liga, the Bundesliga and Serie A, all the way to the English 5th Division and leagues from countries like Hungary and Cyprus. To start generating kits, choose any league and you'll see a screen similar to this. If you want to just generate kits based on the default settings, feel free to, but first let's check out some of the settings so you know what you can customise. So at the top here you'll see the settings button, click that and you'll get to this page. Now if you didn't already know, the generator gets all its kits information in terms of brands and colours from the football kit archive, which basically ensures that all the kits you generate will all be extremely realistic in terms of colours, because they're all based on real life kits that team has had. So in settings you have the option to change what time frame the kit template data is from. Let's say for example you want to create an Aston Villa kit that uses an Adidas template from the early 2000s, then you can select 2000 to 2009 under template years, and when you hit generate your kit will be using a template from that era. And you've also got some branding options where you can set the kit brands to be the regular ones, random but from another team in the league, or you can set every team to have the same brand if you want. So once you've made your changes, just click apply and you'll be taken back to the main league page. To start generating kits you can just click generate all at the top, or if you only want a particular few teams kits then you can just click generate under the team's name. So we'll start off for now just by generating some kits for Arsenal. It will take a couple of seconds to work, and then if you don't like one of the kits you can just click generate again. Now at the top right you also have the option to choose from 4 minikit styles: Standard, SS, FC12 and Hanger. Standard is basically the same model as in the Football Manager game itself, SS is a more bulky version, FC12 is this neat realistic model, and Hanger makes it look like a shirt on a hanger. You can also choose the resolution of the minikit up in the top right as well. You can render up to 1024 res, but it doesn't make a huge difference in terms of quality. So once you've made sure you've got the settings you like, you can hit generate all at the top, and then it's just a matter of waiting a very short while as every team gets its shiny new kit. And after that you're now ready to download and import it into the Football Manager game. To do that, click the download button in the top left and you'll get a zip file with every kit you generated inside it. Next what you'll need to do is extract this zip file and then go into the folder, and here you can see all the kits inside. Now open up in a new tab the Football Manager game files, which you'll find under Sports Interactive. So go into that and you should see this list of folders. Then create a new folder and name it Graphics, go into that and then create another folder inside it called Kits. Then copy and paste the contents of your generated kits folder into here and load up your game. Go to whichever league you generated kits for and you should see that all the kits you generated are now in game. Now there are some possible issues you might come across with the generator. For a start you might find there are some other kits in the graphics folder that show up instead of the kits you generated, so you might have to remove those. Also if you have the paid in-game editor, some teams' kits won't show up unless you enable the allow licensed kits setting. So there you have it, those are all the ins and outs of the new Football Manager Kit Creator bulk kit generator. It's always being updated so you can have more options for customization and quality in the future. If you have any issues with the generator, feel free to let us know and we'll do our best to help you. Also many thanks to Football Kit Archive for providing accurate data to really boost the realism of the generator. Thanks for watching, we hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, feel free to give a like and subscribe, and don't forget that you can design your own custom Football Manager kits on fmkitcreator.com. Links to the bulk generator and our Discord server are down in the description, so feel free to check them out as well. That's all for this video, so go ahead and enjoy creating some kits.